Proof of the rapid expansion of the District of Victoria, Australia is the establishment of a new place of worship in the city of Bendigo. Let's know more on its inaugural worship service from Sister Anna May Manuel.
Located about 150 kilometers from Melbourne's Central Business District, the city of Bendigo is now the home of a newly established Bendigo Group Worship in the Ecclesiastical District of Victoria, Australia, just 1 year after the inauguration of the local congregation of Shepparton.
Napakalaking biyaya ho ng tinanggap ho namin sapagkat ang lokal po namin, lokal ng Shepparton ay nagdiwang nung nakaraang linggo ng kanyang unang anibersaryo. At ngayon po, awa po ng ating Panginoong Diyos, muli tayong nakapagdagdag ng panibagong dako ng pagsamba, ito pong Bendigo GWS. Ang mga kapatid po dito sa aming lokal ay napakaalab at napakasigla sa pagtulong po sa lahat ng mga gawain sa loob ng iglesia.
On a cold winter day, members gathered warmly and in unity for the inaugural worship service, a historic and faith-strengthening moment. The worship service was held at the Stratdale Community Center and was led by the district supervising minister, Brother Romeo Beltran. Despite the cold weather, brethren felt the warmth and joy as they received God's words with gladness and gratitude. 4 years, brethren in Bendigo had to travel far to attend worship services. Now, with the blessing of this new GWS, they can regularly gather in their own community to worship God, a long-awaited answer to their prayers.
Yung una po talaga pong, siyempre pag malalayo po yung dako ng pagsamba, kailangan po malayo, yun, pinagsusumikapan po namin makarating sa bawat pagsamba para po makapagbigay kapurihan po sa ating Ama.
The establishment of Bendigo GWS reflects the continuous growth of the Church of Christ not only in large cities but even in regional areas throughout Australia. It shows the care of the church administration in reaching out to members wherever they may be, especially as the number of brethren in these areas continues to grow. With the help of our Lord God and through the guidance of the church administration, the worship service continues to reach more hearts, more homes, and more places across the world.
You know, when we establish a GWS like this, the GWS of Bendigo, we bring closer to the brethren the worship service. They can easily attend the worship service, they can perform easily whatever obligations that they have. And most especially, not only in attending the worship service, but most especially in sharing the words of God to the people. You know, when we establish a congregation like this, we bring closer to the people the Church of Christ. And when we bring closer to the people the Church of Christ, they can easily know the way of salvation because we can invite them easily to the place of worship. Sa atin pong tagapamahalang pangkalahatan, ang kapatid na Eduardo B. Manalo, kami po ay makikipagkaisa. Lagi kami sa lahat po ng inyong inilulunsad na mga aktibidad sa loob ng iglesia. At makatitiyak po kayo na ang mga kapatid dito sa Victoria, Australia, ay lagi pong kaisa ninyo. Mahal na mahal po kayo ng mga kapatid dito po sa Victoria, Australia.
From Victoria, Australia, I am Sister Anna May Manuel for the Iglesia ni Cristo News Network.